So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can run a program with your group or with your team. And so the first way is it's completion style. So that's where you would send them, or go to share, invite your group, and have them go through this program from beginning to end. And they can go through it at their own pace. They can go through it on their own device. And basically, you give them a due date, like this is due in a month or a week or whatever, and they just go through it from beginning to end. And at the very end, you can, if you want to actually have them get a certificate, you can do that, where you just add a certificate here. You could also just see on the back end on the dashboard who has completed it, but that's the first style, completion style. The second way that you can run a program is actually by locking sessions. So the way you do that here is you go to a session, you scroll down, and you just lock it. And you can set a date to unlock it, or you can also just jump in and manually unlock it once you're ready. But people use this in the style of if they have team meetings or something like that, and they want people to go through one session a week. They might log all the sessions and then just unlock each one right before that meeting so that they can discuss it. So that kind of paces it out if you want to study it more kind of in the style like that with your team. And then the third way you can do that is you go to program settings, and you'll see here this option for daily learning. And so this one will actually, when you send them the link, once they start the program, it will limit them to only one session a day, and it will automatically unlock the next session at midnight each local time. And so this just kind of paces your learners so that they don't cram it all in and then maybe not remember as much, so it limits them to one a day. So that's another mode that you can use for your learners. So good luck. I hope that you can choose the right mode for your team.